In 2026, one of the most profitable online business models is faceless YouTube videos. Thousands of people are earning thousands of dollars every month without showing their face and without expensive software. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create high-quality faceless videos using Canva. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. All right, the first step is to write the script. For this, I open ChatGPT and enter a special prompt. I'll leave this prompt in the video description for you. All you need to do is replace the topic with whatever subject you want your video to be about. You can also adjust the length by changing the time, for example, 2 or 3 minutes. Once done, click Generate, and ChatGPT will instantly create the script for you in different parts. It even gives visual suggestions which will help later during editing. When the script is ready, simply copy the voiceover section and paste it into a document. Next, we need the voiceover. I copy the script and go to 11 Labs, which is one of the best tools out there for AI voiceovers. Many big YouTube channels are using it, and it's a paid tool, but they do offer a free trial so you can test it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Simply paste the script, then head over to the Voices section. Here you can listen to different options and choose one that matches the style of your video.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told.
Hoş geldiniz. Sonbaharın ilk günün.
One of my favorites for story-type videos is John.
A laugh can chase away the shadows of a long day.
To use it, just add it to your voices. Click Generate Speech.
Imagine sailing into the unknown, endless ocean.
And download the audio file. Now that we have both the script and the voiceover, it's time for editing. And for this, I use Canva. Start by creating a new YouTube video project. First, give it a name. Next, upload your voiceover and drag it onto the timeline. Then set the page duration to match the voiceover. The next step is adding visuals. Listen to the voiceover line by line and add relevant visuals to match the narration.
Imagine sailing into the unknown.
For example, the script talks about sailing, so I split it here, and select this page, then go to Elements, search for Sailing, open the videos, then choose a clip you like, trim it to fit the voiceover. Then move on to the next part.
Imagine sailing into the unknown, endless ocean, no maps, no...
Continue this process by splitting the clips, searching for visuals, and syncing everything with the narration. To make the video smoother, add transitions. I usually use the match and move transition between scenes.
Endless ocean, no maps, no certainty, only the belief that something lies beyond the horizon. Only the belief that something lies beyond the horizon. It was the year 1492.
Sometimes the script talks about specific details, like a year or date. In that case, I first add a relevant visual and crop it. Then I press R to add a rectangle, stretch it across the page, change the color to black, and reduce the transparency to about 50%. Next, I go to Text, add a heading, and type the date. For example, 1492. I set the font to League Spartan, increase the size, and center align it. I also time it perfectly with the voiceover.
It was the year 1490.
To make it engaging, I add a typewriter animation, so the text appears as if it's being typed. To make it even more realistic, I add a typing sound effect by searching in Elements, previewing the audio options, and picking one that fits best.
It was the year 1492.
Now, keep repeating this process until the entire video is complete. Okay, so I've added all the visuals with sound effects, and this is currently looks like.
Imagine sailing into the unknown, endless ocean, no maps, no certainty, only the belief that something lies beyond the horizon. It was the year 1492.
Now, to make it more professional, you can add background music. Go to Elements, search for music that matches the vibe of your video, listen a few, and drag it in. Make sure it starts at the beginning, then lower the volume to around 15 or 20 so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. I also add a fade effect of about 1.5 to 2 seconds so the music blends naturally. And that's it. The video is complete, and this is the final result.
Imagine sailing into the unknown, endless ocean, no maps, no certainty, only the belief that something lies beyond the horizon. It was the year 1492. Europe was restless, new trade routes were needed, and one man, Christopher Columbus, dared to challenge the edges of the known world. Columbus set sail from Spain with 3 ships, the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. His goal? To find a faster route to Asia by crossing the Atlantic Ocean. After weeks of fear, storms, and near mutiny, a cry rang out. On October 12, 1492, Columbus stepped onto an island in the Bahamas. He thought he had reached Asia, but it was a new world entirely. This moment changed history.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now it's your turn to try it out and start creating your own videos. And if you want to learn another viral faceless niche, which is stick figure videos, they're quite popular nowadays, and most of these channels are getting tons of views and earning thousands of dollars every month. I've already created a detailed tutorial on how to make these types of videos, so make sure to watch it. I've left the link in the video description too. Now I'll see you in the next video.